Sponsored by Skating System.
I'm gonna show you how to skate here. Like this. First, to know how to land skater, you gotta do it as you do. You gotta put your foot on there. You gotta put your foot over here, and then you gotta kind of scoop hard, like this. Like I need you to try that. Keep trying it on your back foot. And then try to do it with both of them. What you gotta do is, you gotta do this like this. All I did was put my foot right there, and then I hardly used the foot. All I just did was I put like scoop it, and I put this foot down. I didn't even bother to use it. And then it goes flying off and quickly get your arm. And once you get it, you try to land on one foot. And once you get it, go like this. And that's it. But try to do it quick. You'll get used to it after a while. Try to grab it. You don't need to grab it like that. Better grab it like that. Feel more comfortable. So this is all you do. I just stupid. First all you gotta get used to. The ground. Once you got it, I'll do it. You kind of mess up sometimes because you push your foot wrong, or because your front foot you use it. Sometimes you use your front foot. That's what happens. You have to use your back foot and catch it. So I'm going to show one more last time. Try to do it or and that's it for today.